Hello everyone, Mr. Kloss here. This is the percussion video for hot cross buns. We will be working on hot cross buns on the bells today. So I'm going to show you really quickly just a few things to make sure that we have our fundamentals down before we play. First things first, if we are looking at our bells, I'm going to turn my camera down a little bit. All right, we have the higher side of the bells, which are the shorter keys. Those are the higher pitched notes. And then we have the lower side of the bells. These are the longer keys, which are the lower pitched sounds. For this exercise, we are going to start on D. This is the D that is towards the higher part of the bells, so it's the shorter D key as opposed to the longer D key. Sounds like that. D is directly between the two keys that are by themselves on the upper portion of the bells. You will notice that there are times where there's 3, 1, 2, 3, and there are times when there are 2, 1, 2. All right, depending on which note you are playing, the notes will fall along the bottom set of the keys or the top set of the keys. The bottom set of the keys are all just your natural notes. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. The top set of the keys are the flats or the sharp notes. So we will be focusing on only 3 notes for hot cross buns. D, which is right between the 2 keys on the top portion of the bells. C, which is just to the left of D. And then B flat, which is the third of the 3 set of notes that are together on the top portion. So again, those notes are D, C, and B flat. If you have little stickers on your bells kit that have the notes on them, you can feel free to use those if you feel comfortable putting them on. However, if it's available to you, I would maybe wait for me to put those on for you at your lesson so I can put them on just the notes we are working on for that week, so that way we don't accidentally put the stickers in the wrong spot. But if you do choose to put them on, make sure you really focus on your lesson book and look at a diagram of the bell kit to make sure you put the notes in the right spot. Also, I would only put the notes on for the first 5 notes we are learning on our instrument, which are F, E flat, D, C, and B flat. So I wouldn't add any more stickers than that for right now. But let's talk about hot cross buns. The 3 notes that we are using, D, C, and B flat. All right, you'll notice that your music has R's and L's above the notes. Those are to tell you to use your right hand or to use your left hand. Now, when you are playing, we want to make sure that your palms are facing down, your thumbs are to the side, and your pinkies and other fingers are wrapped around. We want to keep our bell mallets at like a nice, comfortable angle. We don't want to put them like this. We don't want to play sideways like this. We just want to play almost at about a 45-degree angle when you play our notes. Okay? So this is how hot cross buns sounds on the mallets. All right, the first note is a half note, so that is a 2-beat note, so we're going to hit it and wait for 2 beats. Same thing with the second note and the third note. If you see a note that is completely filled in, those are called quarter notes. Those are each 1 beat long. Here we go, hot cross buns. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. So those are the 3 notes we will be playing for hot cross buns. Happy practicing this week. Please take a look at this video and see if this helps you out. You can even play along with the video when you get home. All right, have a great week of practicing, everyone.